So first of all, we need to make sure that we have a plot before we get started. And there are a lot of people who will come up to me and say, I'm ready to start my project. I know exactly how I want my house to flow, function, look. I've got it sketched out. Can we get started? And the short answer to that is no, not yet. We need to get a plot of land first. We need to know where you're going to be developing this project. And there's a lot of reasons for that. One of the very simple reasons is you're just understanding sort of whether there is planning likelihood for developing in that particular location. Another is because we need to understand sort of what the particulars are of that location. So, we never should be designing sort of in a vacuum. Everything should be considerate of the site location. But for a lot of us, finding the plot of land is one of the most challenging components of that. So, as I said, we could do a deep dive into that, and we will do a deep dive into that. But if you can narrow your search on the location, this is going to help you move through the project quite a bit more seamlessly. You won't be searching through the entire UK. You'll be searching through a much smaller radius, which is then going to allow you to reach out to people, have feelers out. So it's not just you doing the search. Actually, a local estate agent could be helping, or the people within the village could be assisting you.